So let's put it on sport mode and send it away. So what are we doing today? We are doing a drone review, guys. So it's gonna be for the DJI Mini 2. I have had it for about 2-3 months now. Put about 30 flight hours on it, and I have to say I am really happy with the drone. No complaints so far, but let's start off with get it up in the air. Get into the DJI Fly app. I'm quite close to an airport, so I have to agree to the flight restrictions rules that are in this area. Let's see here. That way I can time the sound together. So here is the drone. Optimus Prime. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, looks good, right? So let's put it on sport mode and send it away. Oh shit, I flew straight into the camera, but yeah, it's fine. I pushed the wrong button. So I'm just gonna land it real quick to make sure it's still good to fly. You know, better be safe than sorry, huh? No, the propellers looks fine, so let's do this flight thing then. Sound timing. There we go. Yeah, let's send it up there. So, who has the use of a drone? Yeah, I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna cut in the drone footage later. Great as well. God, fucking damn it, man. Fucking forgot to film with the camera on the drone. What bullshit, man. It's coming back now. Let's try it again then. Camera on, drone camera on, smack for sound sync. Good, excellent. So yeah, where was I? Yeah, close ground support, close ground reconnaissance. If you are in the army or home defense force as myself, that's a capability that I think it's really useful to have. Because you know, we live in a strange world situation where shit seems going to hell. You know, you see here some people moving here. So let's say now, for example, we have localized them with the drone, and then you have a map for reference points, and you can take out the coordinate position and send the shells over there and destroy them completely. That's always a good, nice thing to be able to do. Of course, the drone has 3 modes you can fly it in. The cinema mode that gives you slow, smooth movement. And normal mode, that's a little bit quicker, and sport mode, of course, that makes it move really fast. You don't get so cinematic, smooth shots, but if you want to get somewhere with it, it's very useful. What else can you do with a drone? Yeah, let's say you are a homeowner. You have a house somewhere. You know, every once in a while you get a great storm or something like that, windy times, and then it could be very nice to have something to inspect your roof with. For example, here. Now we're just flying down to the local boat vendor here. If you can inspect the roof here. See if anything is damaged. Let's see, for example, I think this is an air conditioning unit. Let's say you have problem with cooling. You could probably do like this. Just check out if anything's wrong, anything looks like it's not supposed to. So let's zoom out here. Let's fly over to... Åt helvete! Anyhow, let's get up here. Let's fly over here. And of course, it's a beautiful thing. If you like photography, you should get one too, because not only is it fun to fly, but it also takes really nice pictures. And that's something I really love with it. You see here we're passing now, this is a local hotel and conference center. It's a really nice building. It's built in the 1800s, I believe. It's been here for a real long time, but yeah, it's a nice building. Same here. This is a perfect situation. If you are like, if you do, you sell houses, whatever it's called, you work with that. It's perfect to send it up. You know, take images of the house you're gonna sell, and yeah, put on the web page. Yeah, you'll get it sold faster, probably. I guess. You see here, it looks pretty nice. I'm a bit distracted. I'm both flying, talking, and filming at the same time. It's a bit much. That's why the pictures doesn't look so good. So you'll have to bear with that. Changing the settings. You see now it looks better again. I could put it on auto, but yeah, it's not the same thing. It's not that far away. Let's put it on return to home mode, and then I'll show you some of the nice function that come with the drone, you know, like auto shot options. I'll show you that. Let's first return the drone. Let's see there. Return to home. Boom. And I don't even have to touch the controller anymore. Now it's just fly here by itself. Perfect. You can also put in the setting what the drone will do if it loses connection to the controller. You can put it to, return to home, hover, or land. I would suggest return to home. If you're flying indoors, I would suggest just put it to hover, because or else when it loses connection, it will start flying into walls and up in the roof and stuff like that. So that's not a good idea. Yeah, here we go. It's on the way back. 37% battery remaining. So we'll do a quick battery switch of that. And then I'll show you the moves that come with the drone. So it's saying I have 10 minutes and 16 seconds left to fly with 33% battery. You can push it. I have pushed them before down to like 5%. It's not a problem, but it's not good for the batteries to do that. Hey, welcome back, Optimus Prime. Return from the first sky flight. Oh, it's not bad. Here is my other camera, by the way. It's also a DJI camera. I'm very happy with it. It's been super good at doing its job, so get one of those too. So I'm gonna land this a bit quick, switch the battery out, and then we'll do the pre-programmed flight modes, the camera modes that it has. So I'll see you in a second. Let's try out different modes here. I'll fly out over the sea. Now look at that, it's pretty beautiful. So first I have to shut off the drone camera so I can put in the mode that I wanted to fly in. So I'll do that. Then I can scroll here in the side menu. Fuck it. We go to quick shots. And we start with the droney. So I put the droney. Yep. And select myself. Yeah, this guy right here, that's what you're gonna track. Now I've selected myself. Let's see if I can show you here how it looks. I don't know if you can see it, but I selected myself. And then I press the start button on the button here. Bam! It does a countdown, and then it move. Yeah, now it's doing its thing. So this is the first flight mode. It's called a droney. Here we go. That's the droney taken. Now it's returning, and it returns back home to the same position it started from again. So that's pretty nice. That's great. You can stop there, Optimus Prime. Let's line it up again. We'll do the rocket this time. Do the rocket. Select myself and press start. Countdown starts, and then goes the flight move. There it goes, up in the sky. Very nice. And if you are a vlogger or you do your own filming or you just want to record something for the family, I mean, this is super nice capabilities to be able to have to do this. It takes care of itself pretty much. There we go, 100%. Returning, now it's coming back again. Yeah, I love the drone. I mean, that's what I have no experience of flying drones from before, but yeah, it's super easy to use. If you're gonna get it with the Fly More combo, because it comes with a lot of really useful things. It comes with the extra battery, it comes with the charging port, it gives you the little extra baggie to put everything in, and it's a super good bag. I fit everything I use for YouTube in that one. So I fit the drone, I fit a spare 10,000 milliwatt hour battery in there, my DJI Pocket 2 camera with all the accessories fit in there too. And yeah, so if I'm gonna make a video somewhere, all I have to do is grab my DJI bag and the tripod and I'm good to go. So let's do another flight mode here. Let's get a little bit closer. Oop, stay there, drone. And then the next one is a circle. Pretty self-explanatory, but we'll do that one anyway. Select myself and start. 3, 2, 1, and it's going around. I don't know, maybe you can see it come around. Ah, fuck, it lost me. It lost me. I don't know what you're taking a footage of, you. Then you just press the stop button. It got focused on something else. Because the jacket I'm wearing is the same color as the background, so it probably has a little bit of a trouble locking onto me. So I'll send it up a little bit in the air. Here we go. Start. Now let's see. Hopefully it will do it this time without losing track of me. Yep, there we go. It's going around now. And all this flight, you see, you get to stand still. But it takes really, it makes beautiful results. I really like the way it looks. It makes me look like a pro, even though I'm not super good at this shit. And all the footage I'm doing now is with, the drone is manual, and I think the DJI Pocket here is on our auto mode. I'm not really sure, but that was the circle. And now let's see, what else do we have? We have the, what is this? Yeah, I'll try this flight mode. I don't know what it's called, but we'll see what it does. Start, countdown again, and then go. It's struggling. Losing track of me, huh? So a good idea if you're gonna use this self-tracking things is that you put on clothes that a camera can see, obviously, because now, yeah, my brown and the brown in the background is almost the same. So yeah, it's having a little bit of a problem locking onto me. I'll try that shot again.
3, 2, 1.
At any point in time when you're doing one of these flight programs, there is a button here, the return to home button, and it also got a pause sign on it. If you ever feel like the drone is about to hit something, press that button and it'll stop what it's doing immediately. So it's always good to have an eye on where your drone is so you can immediately stop it if it looks like it's gonna fly into something. I have crashed the drone already several times, broke the engine mount twice and fixed it two times as well. But it was a great repair, and it has been flying excellently since that. It's a pretty sturdy little machine, I have to say. I'm surprised at how much abuse it actually can take. Welcome back, Optimus Prime. Then I believe I still have some, let's see, Boomerang, Helix. Oh, Boomerang, let's try that one. That's I didn't even know. Did they update a number of modes you can fly it, and it seems like that. I'm gonna, you're gonna have to go to the other side. Come here, Maximus, Optimus Prime, and let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, this was the Boomerang one, so it does pretty nice stuff. I love it. It's nice images and everything. It's a bit dark now because the exposure settings here. Yeah, it's not on auto, so yeah, that's a nice thing. So it goes out and around, and I'm back to the same position again. That's pretty nice. Excellent job, Drono. What I like with the DJI cameras is, for example, this camera I'm filming myself on right now, this one here. It has the same capability as the gimbal on the drone, so I can put this camera to do 180-degree shots and. All of that. It doesn't do like the auto because it doesn't fly, but you get the gist. It's basically the same camera. That's pretty much it. So let me show you the stuff. I think I already showed you that. Oh shit, it's cold. I landed drone. I'm gonna pack my shit up and get out of here and do the review video, and hope you like it. I hope it was useful for you. I can really recommend buying a drone. It's super fun. I have enjoyed it for the past, I've had a super good time the past 3 months I have had it. I pulled about 30 flight hours on it, and I mean, it's a fun hobby just to fly around, and it has a lot of actual practical purposes that you can use it in your regular life. So it's a good tool. It's a good tool, not only a toy. It's actually a thing that's useful for several things. Only you decide where the fantasy ends. Now, let's get this motherfucker back here. Optimus Prime, come! Woo! There he comes. It's flying straight over my head. Look at it. Look at it compensating for the wind there. Look at that. That's beauty. Optimus, come! Don't fly into my head, you ass. I'm really happy with that. Yoo-hoo! Let's see a little bit erratic flying here, just because for the fuck of it. Here it comes, full speed, motherfucker! There we go. Maybe I can get the... Pack your shit! Pack your shit!